in past few days you have tried to order PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X from Flipkart, Amazon or Github. So I have created a script which will automatically order for you and add it to cart. You don't have to manually add it to cart and refresh the page again and again. So to use the script you need these three tools, which is Python, Chromedriver and Selenium library. So Python, you have to go to this link, downloads. I have already opened the link. Then you have to download the Python version 3.9, the latest version which is available. So after that you have to go through the installer. I have already installed in my system, so I don't need to so right now. So after installing Python and selecting all the default options, you have to go to this, like after installing Python, so you can try using Python. So if Python is available in your system, it will show you like this 3.9. so this is like that after installing Python successfully. So after that you have to go to this Selenium, this link Selenium. Then you have to copy this, go to your main command prompt. After exiting out of Python, these three arrows, so you can copy paste. It will install Selenium for you. So after that you have to go through this link, Chromedriver. So in there you have to go to your latest, which will show you the latest one. This is the latest, so I will open this and it will show me all these available options, which is Windows, Mac, Linux. So for Windows you have to download this. I have already downloaded. So over here, so you have to go to this, extract all and extract. So after extracting you have to go through this application, copy and paste it to your desktop, which is over here. Then right click, go to properties. You can go to the location of it, which will show you this. Copy all that, and after that just make it a copy. And then what you have to do is you have to go to this code and download zip. So after downloading over here you have to extract the same thing, and after extracting it will show you this this one, sorry. After extracting it will show you PS5 or Xbox Series X, whichever you want to order. So for example I'm doing the PlayStation 5. So after that you have three options: Amazon, Flipkart and Github. So you can right click it, open with notepad. So you will see the code over here in the notepad, and in the code what you have to do, you have to type the location of your Chromedriver. Like few minutes before I have told you to copy the location of Chromedriver, which is this, and after desktop you have to type the Chromedriver thing. So in the final code it will show you this your username, desktop and then Chromedriver inside the codes. You can see the comment over here, entered your Chromedriver exe file link. So after that you have to type your email and password inside the codes. So after you have done this, what you have to do, you have to go to your file explorer and you can see this file, Amazon, just click, drag and drop, then press enter. It will automatically do the thing and type email and password and do all those things. So that's for Amazon. For Flipkart the step is also the same, and for the game the shop one, you can open it through the notepad, and after inserting your executable path, insert the code, the Chromedriver one. After that you have to type your email and password, and in extra you have to type a pin code over here, because game the shop needs a pin code to add to cart. So after you have done this, you have to drag and drop and press enter, and it will automatically do the thing for you. That's it. That's how you can use the script to get PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X from Amazon, Flipkart or Github Link.